Have you ever wondered how lattice products are made? Today, I will show you the complete working process of a lattice extrusion machine. The program starts with the lattice raw materials. These materials enter the extruder, where they are heated and melted. Inside the barrel, the screw transporters and mix the material to achieve stable production. After extrusion, the materials go through the molder and to form the required shape. Then the product is cooled, calibrated, and cooled. We provide complete extrusion solutions for pipers, profiles, and other lattice products. If you need help choosing the right extrusion machines, contact me on WhatsApp.